What? Hey! Hello. Hello. Welcome back, all you folks. Guess what we're going to be doing more often and more consistently? These things. Dude, this camera's crazy. I'm in HD now. I have been in HD before, but now I have autofocus, so nothing will be blurry, hopefully, unfortunately for you. But, subscribers, pals, new and old, welcome back. Thank you so much. It's really great to be doing these videos on a consistent basis again, which I will start doing. And these videos are just going to get weirder and weirder, so I hope you're ready. If you guys saw the SneakerCon video, I hope you enjoyed it. I had a fun time editing it. It was probably the most challenging video, sound-wise, I had to do, so I hope it was worth your time. I had a good time, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hi, your least favorite YouTubing moron, SB Mitch here at the helm. This isn't a ship, this is a YouTube channel. But anyways, I unbox things here on my channel. Basically it, a little bit weird. If I'm not for you, that's totally fine. There's plenty of other sneaker YouTube people out there that are way better at this than I am, so go check them out. Untied Hawaii and T Got Soul are two of my favorites. But I have a lot of buddies, and you know, even if I don't name you, all you Beater Box fam, and appreciate all you guys, all your support, because we are a family. Dysfunctional as we may be. Anyways, let's get into this. What is this? Today I have a Soul Supremacy Beater Box. It is next to me. That sound was me hitting the Soul Supremacy Beater Box. That was really mean. I'm sorry, box. Anyways, this box was $750 plus $40 shipping for a grand total of $790. Soul Supremacy is a shop in the Bay Area of California, specifically Newark. I just sold them a bunch of shoes, which is really fun, so we'll see how that works out. But this Beater Box program is a membership-only thing. You have to pay a certain amount of money per month to have access to these Beater Boxes, and they are basically for resale. They price these under market, so if you can clean them up a little bit, make some money. So let's open this box and see if we make any money. All right, this thing's open. So I don't open these things beforehand because I like to open them live on camera because I think the surprise aspect is really fun. That's what we're doing. So the first thing, there's something in here, I don't know what it is. Transformers on it? What this thing is. I'm not saying anything because I have no idea. Oh, okay, so this is a Calvin Johnson, oh, yep, there it is. It's a Calvin Johnson thing. It's a Megatron with a football type thing going on here. That's pretty cool. I have a feeling that probably means there's like an Air Trainer or something in here, which is not really a great shoe to get, but you know, this is a cool little extra, so that's a first. So let's just get into the shoes. There are two loose shoes in here. First one is a size 10 pair of the Air Jordan 6 Retro Wheat that just came out pretty recently. They're in okay shape. They need a little bit of cleanup. You can see not really wear or anything, but it just needs to be brushed out and cleaned out a little bit. Bottoms are pretty clean too. Jumpman is kind of in there. I don't know if you can see it. These could be cleaned up. These are probably about a 7 out of 10 condition. Wow, the suede on these is actually really buttery. I'm kind of surprised. But it's a size 10, no box. Air Jordan 6 Retro Wheat. I think these came out last year. But yeah, these will clean up nice. If there is any shoe in this box, if you want these or anything else, go down below into my contact information. These shoes will end up on my website, which I'll get to at the end, but we'll keep going with shoes. Next up, we have a size 9.5 pair of Air Jordan 4 Retro Motorsports alternate. These are in really good shape. Jumpman's still in there. I don't know if the light's gonna pick it up. But yeah, I mean, leather's actually pretty nice on these. I'm kind of surprised. No chipping on the midsole, which is, you know, a very common thing for fours to have. But this is a good pair. Good size, too. So, Jordan 4 Motorsports alternates. The other shoe's in just as good a shape, too. I don't know why I'm just showing you one shoe. There's two of them in here, two shoes. Let's keep going. So here's the shoes with boxes. So this shoe is a size 12 Nike, what does it say? Like you're gonna answer me. It's a Nike CJ81 Trainer Max. So this was the shoe that action figure came with. So this is, okay, yeah, I recognize these. These are a dead stock pair too, actually. You see the lace bag is still attached. It's just a trainer, nothing crazy. Bottoms are a little bit yellowed because of age. I don't know how old these are, but Calvin Johnson hasn't been in the league for a couple of years now, so I would assume these are at least 4 years old. I'll have all the information down below. Yeah, these are a clean pair. I don't know what you use them for, maybe football, but yeah. Dead stock pair, size 12. CJ81 Trainer Max. Another orange Nike box. Got an NFL emblem on it. It says Nike Train Speed 4 Amp NFL. Oh, these are those pairs with the. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the Houston Texans pair. These are dead stock too, size 13, really lightweight shoe. These will probably be going for like ultra mega cheap. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about it. It's got the line in there, I guess. Yeah, these aren't gonna go for much, so probably a throw-in shoe. But we got 3 more in here. Let's see. This is looks like some kind of Angry Bird 8 Michael Jordan. He's in his stomach right there. This is in size 8 Air Jordan 5 Retro Low. Oh, this is the Chinese New Year Retro Low. Yeah, okay, cool. Lightly used. These are in phenomenal shape though. Good size. These still go for like $200 I think. Just a little bit of dirt on the bottoms. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. But everything else is phenomenal. I still got the shoe trees and everything. I've never seen the lace lock right there. That's kind of weird. Who's doing it? What are you doing that for? It might be how it goes with Lowe's. I don't really know. But yeah, everything's here. OG all. The seat's in here too. Size 8 Air Jordan 5 Retro Low Chinese New Year. This is all like canvas or something. It's kind of weird materials. So we got 2 more. This is a size 8 again, Air Jordan 4 Retro. Ooh, okay. These are the alternate 89s, and these are used. Really good shape though. You can tell no chipping or cracking on the midsole, which is good. Just need to be cleaned up. Shoe trees are in here too. Yeah, hang tags in here too. So this is a pretty good pair to get. These will probably get about 150 to $200. Not bad. Good shape. Size 8. Alternate 89 4s. And I see what the money shoe is in this box, so it's a good thing it was the last one. Everyone's getting rid of their Kanye's. Pop culture reference. This is size 10 Easy Boost 750. They're probably the triple black 350s. No, they are the glow in the dark 350s, and they are they're in really good shape. A little bit dirty on the bottoms, so they've been worn a little bit, but these are in phenomenal shape. The dust bag is not in here. Hey, but it came from our good friends at GOAT. Love the GOAT app. Other shoes in good shape. Last time I got 750s from Seoul, the zippers were broken, so I'm checking the zippers. Good score. Working zippers on both of these shoes, so that's good. Check that out. These are in really good shape. These probably go for about $700 still, I would think, so that'll cover most of the cost of the box. So, size 10, good size. 750s still have a market. I mean, people still look for these things. It kind of stinks that the dust bag's gone, but yeah, what are you gonna do? So that's the $750 Soul Supremacy beater box. I'm feeling okay about it, but let's give it a grade in the very first Philadelphia version of the SB Mitch report card. Alright, let's give this box a grade. So we will get the grade through 3 categories, and they are as follows. Category 1, condition. Category 2, sizes. Category 3, hype/value, because a shoe without hype has 0 value. Vice versa. So let's do condition first. So there are 7 shoes in the $750 Soul Supremacy beater box. 2 of them are dead stock, but the other ones are in really good shape. I'd say the only one that's really not in great shape is the Wheat 6s. They're about 7 out of 10. Other than that, all these are in really phenomenal shape, so I gotta give this box about a B-. That's not too bad. Sizes. So we have a 12, 13, 10, 9.5, 8, another 8, and another 10. Sizes are pretty good. There's no 11, which would be ideal because those are the sizes that usually move the fastest, or I keep. Sizes on this box, I gotta give it about a B+. Hype/value. The hype is all in that Yeezy. That'll take up a good chunk of the box. Those CNYs still get a pretty decent amount of money. The alternate 89s, you know, they'll get between like 150, 100, and $200, something like that. But the other ones are, you know, decent. Even if they don't have boxes, you can still probably get, you know, 75 to $100 for them. Hype/value on this box, I gotta give it also about a B-. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of B- for hype/value, this $750 Soul Supremacy beater box gets a grade of B- in the SB Mitch report card. So we gave this $750 Soul Supremacy beater box a grade of B- in the SB Mitch report card, but now let's break it down, if that's cool. that was the breakdown. We'll see how much I make off this. That's also very estimated. I'm not going to make that much probably, but I have a feeling this was a pretty good box. I think a B- was a good grade for it. Let me know down below what you think. I think it's a pretty decent box for $7.50. Shouldn't be hard to move a lot of it, so that'll be cool. Guys, go check out the website right now, ransomnotesneakers.com, or if you're on your mobile device and don't feel like typing out that entire thing, rnsmnote.com. It's a lot easier that way. But everything is live on the website again. I'm going to start getting more into that, start doing weekly updates as much as I can, and getting back into the swing of things. I know it's been kind of a long hiatus with this whole move thing. So yeah, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Subscribers, thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for sticking around. I have a height box still. I have another beater box. There's another haul series coming. There's a lot of stuff going on. So take your grappling hook, throw it up and climb up the old SB Mitch mountain. What? And yeah, just have fun with us. So if you liked what you see, go down below, hit the subscribe button. If you didn't, that's cool too. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. So until next time, everyone, take care of yourself, take care of each other. And remember, they're just shoes. If you're having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. Well, we'll see you next time, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.